My name is Mikhail. I'm 27 years old. My main goal with these masters is always to help humanity. Drugs are always important because as humanity evolves, then there are different types of diseases that are developed.
My name is Tina and I'm 24 years old. I like studying and also here at DTU because in the pharmaceutical design and engineering there's a lot of people from different backgrounds. I'm chemistry, but there's a lot in biology and molecular biology also, I think, so we're very different. And when we then need to do a case or something, then we can use our different knowledge to solve a problem.
So the problems that the engineers on the pharmaceutical design and engineering can solve is really to be on the whole drug development process line, where they can develop medicines from the chemical screening to get the product onto the market and really have this problem-solving thinking all the way so we can get the medicines onto the market in the fastest way and the cheapest way possible.
Denmark gives you a great opportunity coming from an international background to work at the same time as your studies, which is very encouraging because you get first-hand experience from the pharmaceutical industry and you kind of get to know how everything works industry-wise, and it's very nice to combine it with studies, because you figure out more what you really want from your career and see different paths available.
The best thing is that it's very open and you don't have to choose something specific, and for me that's really awesome because I found many different things very interesting here at the Pharmaceutical Design and Engineering study line.
The engineering way of thinking is very good to have in this field because you would like to solve problems. And this is very relevant for the pharmaceutical drug development, where there are so many regulated processes, but you all the time need to solve them in the most efficient way.
So I think the social life is really, really awesome here at DTU. And you get to know different people from different lines. And that's something that I think is really, really nice here.
There's a lot of social events that you can join. There's a lot of culture groups, a lot of teams that are sports teams that you can join. And I feel like DTU has a lot of opportunities for all sorts of backgrounds.